Just quickly looking at the fried pig paste. Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Reza, former scientist in area of the nutrition and calcified tissue. And last 8 years I'm working in pharmaceutical industry. Today I'm planning to prepare some kebabs for family. Also I had some eggplant and red capsicum. I thought maybe I'll make a Ajvar as well. Ajvar is a paste which they used a lot of Balkan region, and I quite enjoy it. It's very healthy, it's a light food, and it's full of nutrition and antioxidants which you can prepare it. It's relatively simple as well. Just before I show you how you can prepare that lovely paste, I just want to ask you, if you want to have practical simple tips to help your health and well-being in overall, maybe you want to subscribe to my channel. Then without any further delay, let's start to preparing this Ajvar together. I'm just making some kebabs, which is mince and beef, and I thought maybe I'll make some Ajvar. Therefore I have a couple of capsicum, red capsicum, 3 eggplant and 2 zucchini and garlic. After making my barbecue or kebabs, I'm going to put them in charcoal and hopefully make Ajvar, which is quite healthy. Take this one. That's good too. Right, now I'm going to put the grid back in here for Ajvar. This way. Push that in. And this one. Above is done, but I'm going to put those capsicum and zucchini everything here. Just let the lid close. Just tin the eggplant and capsicum and zucchini. As you can see, the eggplant almost cooked and capsicum going to be cooked soon. I'm going to put the lid back again and just comes in 20 minutes. Just quickly looking at the capsicum and eggplant. It's coming along nicely. That's a kind of plate with the lid to keep when remove it. Just put the lid here. Barbecued capsicum, eggplant and zucchini are ready. What I'm going to do in this stage, I peel the capsicum and eggplant, the bone bits, basically shift them, remove them and get rid of the seed inside, and then I put them inside a processor with some other ingredient which I'm going to mention it briefly, to get processed together, which is we need salt. I'll put some of the vegeta as well,
couple of clove of garlic, chili flake. I add a bit of sweet paprika for extra color, and in the end I add a bit of vinegar. Alright, this is done. Now I'm gonna put those one in processor. I will just slowly put those one in food processor. All of them will be peeled. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of the vegeta and 1 teaspoon of salt. Then I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of the chili flake. And 2 teaspoons of paprika powder, and about a 1/4 cup of vinegar here as well. But first I'm gonna just process it a bit to reduce the volume. Then I add a 1/4 cup of vinegar here. Nice color, I like the color. Cup of the white vinegar I add to give a bit of acidity. Put it here. And again, mix it together to all those ingredients, just blend together nicely. Beautiful. Now I'm gonna just start next stage, which basically a bit frying this with some garlic. I'm gonna just fry slightly those garlic, then add our paste. Add some olive oil here. And we have a couple of garlic, which I'm gonna put it in mincer and put it there. Remove the excess. Just slightly frying them, not much remaining of this one here. Mixing everything together and let it to be a bit evaporate. I'm gonna add a bit more olive oil. You have to keep moving around, otherwise stick in the frying pan. I use that electric frying pan because it has biggest surface area. It will accelerate the evaporation. I think this is almost ready. As you can see, become quite thick paste. And it's not that runny anymore. So I'm gonna just spread it and turn off frying pan to be cooled down, and I'll transfer it to jars, sterilized jars. Just turn it off and let it cool down, and you're going to see next stage. Try to taste some. I'll put a fair bit here because I can. Let's try some.
I have to say this alva is really tasty and looks fantastic as well. I hope you prepared this alva for yourself and your family and they can enjoy it as well. If you like this video, please don't forget to give a thumb up and share it with your family and friend. In the end, please also pass your comment and suggestions if you have any. I appreciate your suggestion and input as well. And I would like to wish you all the best up to next week. Please be active, eat healthy, and be curious. Bye for now.